Good morning, Namaskar, Suprabhat. Today's this second video on GST, and in this series, we will be discussing in this video about officers under CGST Act and officers under SGST Act. Okay, you are aware that both central government officers as well as the state government officers both have an authority to govern, administer CGST Act as well as SGST Act. We have seen earlier CGST Act and SGST Act are identical. Now, first and foremost, CGST Act itself in section 3 and similarly SGST Act also under section 3 mentions about officers and who are these officers. So please remember that the state GST Act, whatever officers are named, they are the same under the earlier VAT Act. Okay. And under the CGST Act, those officers are under the central government regime, which was earlier Central Excise and Service Tax. Okay. But here there are specific sections and there are specific definitions which are mentioned. That makes it easy for us to understand when you are meeting an officer that whether he is from state or whether he is from central government. So if you come across anywhere some designation which has the word principal, please be clear, it must be a CGST, means a central government officer. Okay. So section 3, first and foremost to start with the CGST Act, government shall by notification. Here it is the bare section which I have pasted. Government shall by notification. Now what is government? In CGST Act, government is also defined. Government in CGST Act is central government and government in SGST Act is the respective state government. Like if you see Maharashtra State GST Act, then government is Government of Maharashtra. But in CGST Act, it is central government. So government shall by notification appoint following officers. First is Principal Chief Commissioner. Okay. After that, it is Chief Commissioner, then Principal Commissioner, then Commissioner. See, these four are the ones which are not there in, I would say, three: Principal Chief Commissioner, and Principal Commissioner of Central Tax. Here, each designation in the Central Tax CGST series has that word Central Tax very clearly in it. So, Principal Chief Commissioner of Central Tax, he is the topmost in the run. Then Chief Commissioner, then Principal Commissioner, then Commissioner. After that, the four designation, that is additional, then Joint Commissioner, then Deputy Commissioner, then Assistant Commissioner. These four are the same even in state GST. We will come to that. But to stress here the three ones, the three new designations which apart from state are appearing are the Principal Chief Commissioner, then Chief Commissioner, then Principal Commissioner, and Commissioner of Central Tax as it is here, which is the fourth. Similarly, Commissioner of State Tax, who is the top for a particular state jurisdiction, is in state GST. Next, we just now I spoke definition of government. Section 2, clause 53 defines in CGST Act it is central government. Now there is also a definition of proper officer, and this proper officer definition is useful when we will be discussing on the authorizations. There is a cross authorization of CGST officials to discharge duties about SGST or to audit it, to raise demands, etc. So proper officer is the officer who is appointed by the commissioner or the board. Now, this simply means there are various legal disputes about that, who is a proper officer, etc. But simply put, these all are the officers who are in the run, and the above mentioned officers certainly are proper officers, or they should have been specifically delegated that particular work, or they should be authorized for that work. Rather than delegation, I should use the word authorization. State GST, we discussed. I have taken here only Maharashtra State GST Act, but this will be identical if you take even Rajasthan GST Act or even if you take Haryana GST Act. So here the government shall by notification. So here the government is the respective state government. So that respective state government will issue a notification, and by that all these officers will be the one who are the governing officer, those who are administering the office, the GST related implementation as well as administration. First is Commissioner of State Tax. See, if you will, those who have worked in VAT regime, they will recollect. In the earlier regime, there was a state commissioner. So he is equivalent to that, or rather, I would say he is the same. Then special commissioners of state tax, not always are there, but if at all they are there, they come next in line. After that, the four designations: additional commissioners of state tax, joint commissioner, deputy commissioner, assistant commissioner. These designations, we generally, when we talk, is additional, joint, deputy, and assistant. So these four are there in state as well as in central, but here it is very clearly mentioned: joint commissioner of state tax, deputy commissioner of state tax, and so on. Okay. So these all is about the officers who are in state as well as in central taxation. Often I have come across people who are slightly confused. ये साहब state के है या ये साहब central के है? One easier way out is you can ask him politely, but if not, from his designation also you can make out that if at all the word is state tax, then that certainly is he the officer from state government. Okay. Now central IRS officers generally are in central, and that is what is my experience. And the state officials are the respective public service commissions, etc. But the commissioner in the state, this commissioner, he may be an IS officer also. So if at all you come across these people, you should be aware so that very respectfully they can be addressed, and your plea, your request can be put across. So this is all about the officers in state and central. In the next video, we'll be discussing what is the authorization and why the authorities are given to state government officials to also administer the central GST, and similarly to state GST, to central GST officers to administer state GST, and which are the provisions in GST law that give this particular authorization. So this is all at the moment for now. Thank you very much, and please give your suggestions. If you feel there is anything else which we can do, we'll certainly be more than happy to do so. Thank you very much.